Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel The Fashion Frenzy. I hope all you are fine and doing well and enjoying the best condition of life in your peaceful country. I am back again with new beautiful content in this video. I will show you the collection of best qualities of high heel sandals 2024 for girls and ladies. These sandals elevate your personality and give you a beautiful look. Friends, you can see the best qualities of sandal are different design and different colors in this video. Truthfully speaking, I observed that mostly women and girls like to wear high heel sandals. High heel sandals enhance your posture and help you to stand tall. Friends, in this video you can see sandals made up of good qualities of raw material. High heel sandals are used in various ways to communicate national, professional, affiliation, gender, and social status. High heel sandals give strength to the ankle joint and muscles. Friends, if you are worried the selection of high heel sandals, you can write in the comment section. I will give you the best idea about the sandals. Friends, if you are interested in my YouTube channel, please subscribe my channel and like my videos. Friends, if you want to buy the sandals online, you can visit different websites d.pk and alibabaexpress.com. Okay, dear viewers, if you like my video and share my video with your friends, family members, and relatives, early tips and give the feedback in the comment section. How was the video and how was the design? Okay, the reverse, if you subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notification of new upcoming and uploading videos. So friends, I always try